Hi guys, welcome to the channel. What if I told you that you could become a millionaire? Not by winning a lottery or inheriting a fortune, but through disciplined strategy, a relentless work ethic, and unwavering belief. Impossible, you say? Well, my friend, buckle up, because today, we're about to break down that myth. I'm here to guide you through the process of going from zero to a millionaire. But before we start this journey, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and leave a comment below to join the conversation. Let's go from zero to millionaire together. First, let me be brutally honest. There is no overnight success. What we'll discuss here requires time, effort, discipline, and most importantly, consistency. So if you're looking for quick rich schemes, this might not be for you. But if you're ready to put in the work, let's dive in. Our first step is a change in mindset. Being a millionaire is not just about having $1 million in your bank account. It's about thinking and behaving like one. The first rule is to stop living paycheck to paycheck. You have to manage your money well, save more than you spend, and invest wisely. But how do you do that? Here's our second step, budgeting. It's crucial to keep track of your income and expenses. There are a plethora of apps and tools available that can assist you in this process. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Now that we're saving money, let's move to our third step, investing. The secret of wealthy people is not just saving but growing their money. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, the goal here is to create multiple streams of income. Remember, investing comes with its own risks. It's crucial to educate yourself and do your research before diving into it. As Warren Buffett famously said, never invest in a business you cannot understand. Our fourth step is self-education. No matter what field you're in, never stop learning. Successful people are always eager to learn new things. Books, online courses, podcasts, seminars. These are your keys to gaining knowledge and new skills. Moving on to the fifth step, networking. The old saying, your network is your net worth, holds a lot of truth. Surround yourself with successful, positive, and ambitious individuals. They will not only inspire you but may also provide opportunities for business partnerships or investments. Our sixth step is debt management. Debts, especially high-interest ones, can be a financial burden. Pay them off as soon as you can. If that's not possible immediately, consider consolidating or refinancing them for a lower interest rate. Now, we're going to talk about the seventh step, reinvesting your profits. When your investments start making money, it might be tempting to splurge. But the real key to building wealth is reinvesting those profits. By doing this, you take advantage of the power of compounding, accelerating your journey to becoming a millionaire. The eighth and final step is patience and consistency. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Building wealth takes time. So don't rush. Keep investing, keep learning, and stay patient. And there you have it. 8 steps to go from zero to millionaire. But remember, becoming a millionaire isn't the end goal. It's about financial freedom and the choices and opportunities that come with it. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? If you are, let's start today. Your future millionaire self will thank you for the actions you take today. Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Which of these steps do you think is the most challenging? How are you planning to tackle it? Also, we'd love to see your progress on this journey. So, remember to share your experiences and stories with our community. Let's inspire each other to reach our goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more financial guidance. Let's chase that millionaire dream together. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not an impossible dream. With discipline, persistence, and the right strategies, you're already on the path to success.